Today, we're diving into a topic that hits close to home. Why are modern-day men weaker than their predecessors, and what can we do to fix it? All right, let's start with comfort. Comfort is everywhere these days. Think about it. You can get food delivered to your door in minutes, binge-watch shows all night, and never leave your couch if you don't want to. Sounds great, right? But here's the catch. It's killing our drive. Every time we pick the easy option, we're losing a bit of our edge. And you know what? This is tied directly to testosterone. Yeah, that hormone that fuels strength, energy, and focus. Sitting around, eating junk, and avoiding challenges, it's all taking a toll on your T levels. We'll dive deeper into that in another video, but for now, let's talk solutions. Here's the deal. Growth happens when you step out of your comfort zone. Cold showers, hitting the gym, trying something that scares you, all these little things build resilience. It's not about being extreme, it's about getting a little uncomfortable every day. Now let's talk about purpose, or the lack of it. A lot of guys today feel aimless. We're told to chase money, fame, or likes on social media. But deep down, you know that stuff doesn't actually make you happy. So, what's the fix? You need a mission. It doesn't have to be world-changing. Maybe it's mastering a skill, starting a business, or just being a better friend or partner. Write down what matters to you, set some goals, and go after them. Purpose gives you direction. It's like your personal North Star. Here's a big one. Isolation. Social media makes it feel like we're connected, but let's be real. It's not the same as having real friends, and loneliness is through the roof right now. We're built for community. Surround yourself with people who push you to be better. Join a gym, find a local group, or just reconnect with old friends. Having a solid tribe isn't just nice, it's essential. Remember, iron sharpens iron. And finally, let's talk about mental health. A lot of us grew up hearing stuff like man up or don't cry. But burying your feelings doesn't make you strong. It makes you a ticking time bomb. Here's what you can do. Start small. Write down what's on your mind. Talk to a friend. Meditate for 5 minutes a day. And if it feels overwhelming, don't be afraid to get professional help. Taking care of your mind is just as important as hitting the gym. And yeah, mental health is connected to hormones like testosterone too, but we'll save that deep dive for another day. All right, let's wrap this up. Modern life might be making men weaker, but you don't have to stay stuck. Step out of your comfort zone, find your purpose, build your tribe, and take care of your mental health. Strength isn't just about muscles. It's about resilience, character, and living with intention. If this message hits home for you, hit that like button, subscribe for more content like this, and let's start building a stronger future together. This is The Enlightened Edge, and I'll see you in the next one.